I saw a video of a beautiful marble design tumbler, and the artist was using only two colors, black and white. And since that time I was thinking about this dual color combination and was planning to try it as well. Let's take a look at how it worked out for me. At first, I would like to talk about the power of black color. From the theory of colors, which I heard a long time ago, and it was written in my memory ever since, is that in nature the black color does not exist. The black color was artificially created, and many painters do not even use black colors on their palettes. If they want to create a dark color similar to black, they mix brown or dark brown with blue, and they can get to the black color very closely. However, in nature, there is never a true black color as they sell it today in the art stores. Even black coal found in the nature is not as black as some black colors sold in tubes. I've heard that even great Dutch painters, and I guess great painters even before the Golden Dutch era, were not using black color either. I do also remember someone saying that if you use black color with your paintbrush, that black color will pollute your other colors, and it is very difficult to clean the paintbrush off the black color. So it is not recommended to use at all. So what do I do in this video? I have decided to use black color, just to confirm if all the warnings about the black color I've been getting are true. I do have to admit, the video tutorial I saw here on YouTube of someone making an alcohol ink tumbler using only black and white color was really impressive. The lady had the black color under full control. But how can you learn something when you don't even try? How can you get better if you are afraid to fail? And in this video, I'm going straight for a big failure. But you know what they say, it's better to see it once than hear about it 100 times. And I am about to witness the power of black color right from the first row. As you can see, I'm using a small wine tumbler with a white base color. I have applied mixed epoxy and then moved to the alcohol ink. I'm going for a big contrast today, something like a fire effect. Bright yellow flames surrounded by black patterns, or yellow/black marble, since originally I was inspired by the marble video. The black color would be the major color with contrast yellow areas. So I start with the bright color first. I thought a drop of coral pink would give it a nice highlight so the tumbler doesn't look so moody. Then I continue with yellow. At this point, there's no indication I'm heading towards a disaster. And here it comes. I take the black color, and the black ink just took over the whole tumbler. The black color is just creating a huge pool of black mud, killing all other vibrant colors. At this point, I see a flame effect is no longer an option for today. I already made a peace with myself that this tumbler is just gone. But before I call it a day, I started simply testing if there's any pigment that will be able to push the black to the side and take a bit of control of the tumbler surface. At this point, it is just grasping for the air, and my pupils are just getting wider and wider as I see the black spreading even further. Adding more ink had exactly the opposite effect. The black spreads through the ink of any pigment and just kills anything that comes in its way. At this point, I have decided to do a desperate attempt to be creative by trying to scrape off some of the black color of the tumbler surface with a wooden stick. Maybe if I scrape here and there, I would reduce the black color and can continue with bright ones. I was hoping that the area which I scrape with the stick would get automatically covered by epoxy, but that was not the case. What happens next is just hard to describe and even harder to watch. But hey, on the road towards art, if there's a tree that needs to fall down, so be it. In this case, I feel like I'm cutting down a whole forest. Okay, at this point I'm scraping down everything. Maybe I could restart the work in a few minutes if I can get off epoxy somehow without destroying the base paint. What you don't see now is my attempt to use a wet cotton round with acetone, hoping to scrape off the epoxy and pretend as nothing happened. The acetone unfortunately eats into the base color, exposing the steel surface, which means only one thing. It is time for acetone bath and restart the tumbler preparation again. Today's crafting went beyond the point of me being able to save the tumbler. Good thing is that epoxy application is reversible, and using acetone I will be able to clean the surface and start working with the same tumbler on the next day. I have learned my lesson today. Stay away from black color, or use really only a little bit, or you will use your work. Also, there is still a small chance that the result of my today's crafting failure was a lower quality white ink I was using. Perhaps a better known brand white ink would have completely different reaction with the black color. It really makes me suspicious the white ink was not able to even turn black into gray. It was just eaten alive. For this reason, I have ordered a new alcohol ink color, especially white, and I will try to redo the same tumbler with the same colors again. What do you guys think? Where did I make the mistake? Please leave me a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.